Hi and welcome back to Living Your Best Life 101, where you'll find exercises, workouts and recipes for optimal health and well-being. If it's your first time here and you like what you see, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notified every time I post a new video. In this 15-minute cardio HIIT workout with body weight, which is the first of a 3-part series during which the exercise durations get longer during each workout to progressively increase the intensity and workload on the muscles and the cardiovascular system. This no equipment cardio HIIT workout contains exercises for the legs, the glutes, the core and back, and a little bit of work for the shoulders as well. It's a great home workout that you can do if you're short on time, but you'd like to get in a cardio workout using bodyweight exercises to help you to improve cardiovascular fitness, muscle tone, and burn fat. So let's get right into it, shall we? Starting with a quick warm-up of mobility exercises and some stretches. Starting with neck stretches then, so push the hands down, left ear to left shoulder, change over right ear, right shoulder. These exercises coming up really good for helping with correct posture because they're going to help work that core and back muscles. Chin on chest now, push the hands forward. Okay, arms by the side. We're just going to rotate the spine. Also going to be really good for helping us to burn fat and lose weight fast. Okay, stretch with the left hand up and over. That's because we're going to be increasing muscle tone, which is going to help us to increase metabolism as well as burning calories at the same time as doing the exercises. Okay, side step. Arms backwards and forwards, just gently mobilizing. Hands on the hips, let's mobilize, circle those hips clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay, we're going to reach and kick with the opposite arm and foot. Just gently, not overdoing it because we are just warming up and mobilizing, nice and gently. We're going to go backwards in a little lunge and a front raise with the arms, careful with the balance, just nice and gently, we don't want to overdo it. Just keep that body nice and straight, and we're going to row with the arms, curl with the legs. Nice and gently, warming up, getting mobilized. Okay, we're just going to squat one side, back to the center, other side, and back to the center. That's good, just gentle moves, not too deep. We are just warming up, and relax there. Starting with our first exercise, the speed skating move. So it's here. So gently go at your speed. Focus on your balance. Keep your chest up. Let those legs really bend. Obviously add in the arm movement. It's going to make it more intense. We can add the little skip, which is also going to make it that little bit more intense with the impact. Breathe in and out, in and out. Relax, well done. Okay, we're going to twist, alternate legs to each side and lift the knees up. Easy version, twist and lift, twist and lift. Now we can add an arm lift to make it harder. Don't forget to breathe. Engage that core, good posture, thinking about each movement and breathing. And out, breathe out. We can add impact if we want to make it more intense. But remember, This could be enough for you right now, and that's good if it is. Try and add the arms up. And relax. Okay, we're light on our feet. We're going to do a little bit of boxing. We go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So, little combination. 1, 2, 3 fast. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. All the time. Core engage. Lighten our feet. Bend those knees and twist those hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, and 3 fast. 2, 1, 2, 3. And relax. We're going to lunge alternate legs forward. So starting with the left leg. Lunge forward, down, and up and back. Right leg forward, down, and back. Left and back. Right and back. Maybe the arms out to the side can help you balance. Here. Breathe. In and out. In and out. Core engaged. Body nice and straight. Breathe in and out. Arms can go forward as well. Last time, relax. Okay. Shuffle and twist. Easy version. Harder. Lift the arms up, level with the shoulders. Want to make it harder still. Add that little bit of impact with a jump. That's good. We're almost halfway through this cardio section. We're going to repeat each exercise again though. Yeah, I knew that'd bring a smile to your face. Remember, core engaged, really twist those hips. And relax. Okay, we're going to have L shapes with our arms. So one out to the side, one forward. As we do that, we add an alternate leg kick. Really lift that leg as high as you can. Engage that core. You can add impact if you want to work harder. But this could be enough. This could be enough. If this is you, bend the knees. Engage the core. This is working harder. Lift that foot nice and high. And relax, well done. Back to those skaters. So, we start at one side, arms up, down and across, down and across. Breathe in and out. That's good. Really bend those knees. Add the skip in the middle, that extra work. Good balance. Good rhythm. Really got stuck in the sand. Keep going. And relax. Okay, easy. Twist, lift the knee. Twist, lift the knee. Add the arms. If you want to work harder. Harder still. Add that impact. Good. Keep it going all the time. Think about your posture. Think about your breathing. This is mindful exercise. This is well fit. Breathe out and in. Out and in. And out and in. Good. Keep it going and relax. Exercise 3, second round. Lighten our feet. Slow, slow. Quick, quick, quick. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 2, 3. Lighten our feet. Really punch. Good. Twist those hips. Core engaged. It's an ab workout as well as shoulders And arms. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 2, 3. Keep going. Nearly there. Come on, don't relax. Now you can. Well done. Woo. Back with those lunges. Alternate left leg first. Lunge, back together. Right foot. Remember, arms out to help with balance. Breathe in and out. Body upright and tall. Legs do all the work. Try and keep that front knee over the ankle. Not going too far forward over the toes. Work those shoulders as well. The arms out, pull the arms forward. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Relax, well done. Shuffling and twisting. Add the arms. Make it a little bit harder. Add the jump and make it harder still. Keep going. That's good. Working hard. That's what we like to see. Keep going. Breathe in, core engaged. Twist those hips. Really working those abdominals and oblique muscles. That's good. Keep it going. Breathe in, working hard. Excellent. Keep going. Don't stop yet. And relax. Okay, we've got those L-shaped arms again. Add the foot lift or the leg lift. Nice high leg lift. Core engaged. Good upright posture. Add the impact if you want to work a bit harder. Remember though, this could be you here. Better with the leg lift. It's going to be working harder. And relax, well done. Into the cool down then. Let's just take the left hand up, stretch over to the right. And now the right hand, reach up and over to the left. Remember these exercise durations, these timings are going to get a little bit longer each time, just to make it that bit harder and keep us making those fitness gains. Okay, bend at the hips, grab the elbows, let the head drop down, gently twist in that ragdoll pose. Remember, we can take a little bit longer over these stretches if we've got more time. Okay, left foot forward. Nice lunge, stretch through the hips and the groin. We're just keeping them short for the purpose of these short and intense workouts. Change over. You can make them much longer if you decide to do a bit more stretching maybe later in the day or even the day after this little workout. Rolling onto our back now. Left foot is going to cross over that right knee, pull in and stretching those glutes. Okay. Opposite side, right foot crosses the left knee, stretching the right glutes now. He's kind of okay, grab the feet, happy baby pose. Open the knees if you can. Open the hips and stretch through the inner thighs and groin. Really good one this. If you can't grab the feet, grab the ankles or the calves. Oh, relax there. Roll it over onto the knees. Sit back onto your feet, a child's pose. Push the hands forward. really helping to increase feelings of wellness and well-being, these workouts. Okay, relax there. Slowly curl up and onto the feet. Focus now on the positive action that you've taken by completing this cardio HIIT workout, and say a quiet thank you to you for your body and for your efforts today. Well done, good work, and thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this workout, then don't forget to give it the old thumbs up, and feel free to share it on your social media. And if you haven't already, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Or click on the link below, which will take you through to the website where you can get access to all of my exercise videos and much more. Check out this video if you'd like to try my back and abs HIIT workout, or this one if you'd like to do a bit more stretching and beginner yoga. I'd like to wish you a wonderful day ahead, and I hope to see you again in the next one. Namaste, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.